In our previous class, we immersed ourselves in the melodies of African musical instruments, a harmonious journey through diverse cultures. Today, let's embark on a colorful journey as we dive into the fascinating world of tie-dye. Tie-dye is a captivating textile art that involves creatively restraining certain sections of fabric from absorbing dye. This is achieved by tightly binding these designated areas with raffia, preventing the dye from penetrating upon immersion in a dye solution. Materials and tools. To embark on a tie-dye project, you will need the following materials. 1. Dye substances. 2. Raffia. 3. Rubber gloves. 4. Hydrosulfite. 5. Caustic soda. 6. White cotton fabric. 7. Salt. 8. Water. Dyeing methods. Tie-dye enthusiasts can explore various captivating dyeing methods to achieve distinct patterns. These include 1. Squirting, applying dye by squirting it onto the fabric, creating vibrant, irregular designs. 2. Splashing, sprinkling or splashing dye onto the fabric to produce a lively, spontaneous effect. 3. Dipping, submerging the fabric into the dye solution, allowing the colors to blend and form intricate patterns. Tying techniques. The art of tie-dyeing is further enriched by a range of tying methods that shape the final outcome. These techniques encompass 1. Twisting method, twisting the fabric into spirals or folds before securing it with raffia results in mesmerizing spiral patterns. 2. Circle tying method, forming circles or rings with the fabric and tying them with captivating concentric patterns. 3. Marbling method, creating unique swirls and marbled effects by folding the fabric in a specific manner. 4. Knotting method, utilizing knots to bind sections of fabric, resulting in eye-catching geometric designs. 5. Pleating method, folding the fabric into pleats or accordion-like shapes lends a structured appearance to the final design. 6. Stitching method, incorporating stitches into the fabric to restrict dye penetration, leading to intricate stitched patterns. 7. Clump tying method, gathering sections of the fabric into clumps and tying them, producing organic and irregular patterns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.